I sent a letter for a job last week.
Oh, yes, Andrea?
Yes.
One moment, please. Okay, I will call you tomorrow, okay? Uh-huh. Okay, ciao. Sit down, please. I was waiting for you.
Okay.
I'm Berta, the boss of this shop. Shall we talk first about you?
Perfect.
Okay. How old are you, Andrea?
I'm 24.
Okay, and where do you live?
I live in San Feliu de Llobregat, at 20 minutes from here.
Okay. Have you got a driving license?
Yes, since I was 18.
And have you got a personal car?
Yes.
Okay. So you can come easily here, don't you?
That's right.
Okay. And who do you live with?
I live with my boyfriend.
And how many free hours do you have at all day?
I'm free from 8 in the morning at 5 at the afternoon.
Okay. As I could see in your letter, you have worked in many clothes shops, haven't you? And how much time did you work in each one?
Well, in Vesca and Tara, I have been working 2 years, but in the others, only one,
And what did you give the app?
because I was studying at university and I didn't have time from my personal things. But it's not necessary to worry about that because I've already finished my career.
Uh-huh. And what have you studied?
I've done a public relations degree.
Okay. Well, you have a public relations degree, an extensive experience on this type of job, many time for doing. You are definitely contracted. Welcome to SOS.
Thank you very much. I'm very pleased to work here. When I could start?
If you want, you could start tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning.
I will be here. And about the salary?
Oh yes, I had forgotten it. You will be paid 1,000 euros per month, and you will have 2 months for holidays.
Okay. Until tomorrow, and thank you again.
Okay, see you.